Hello all, this is Alexander Elias attending Full Sail University, currently attending AVF Advanced Visual Frameworks. This is our week 4 final project. I have two devices in front of you. One is a screencast of that device and it's kind of laggy, so you'll have to bear with me with that. And then over on my right, I have my code, and then I have an iOS emulator here currently running also. So over here you can kind of briefly just glance at some of the things I have going on. Have two different main files that have hold two different windows and some other operations included. I've got a cloud file here which just pulls all my cloud information, pushes cloud and logs me into my cloud. I have remote data which pulls remote APIs, and then I have location also, which uses the local GPS or location information on the device. So here we go, kind of show you the first app here. So this is on my Android device, and as you can see, there's a login prompt here and whatnot. So let's go back here. I'm going to show you some verification I've done to just check for data and make sure you're connected and whatnot. So we're going to close that and I'll reopen that application. So once that app is open, you'll see that at the bottom I have a little notification that wasn't there before because I had my network on. This app requires network. Please check data/Wi-Fi and GPS. So we have a little notification there. Also, if you try to sign in now, I'll show you what it does. So currently, there you go. You've got another prompt or alert there that says the same thing. This app requires network. Please check data or Wi-Fi. So, and that one's a little bit different. Doesn't talk about that, mention the GPS, but that's for a reason. Now, I currently don't have the new user button. Isn't working or isn't implemented yet. That's a lot more work that would have to be done that just hasn't been done yet. But so let's turn our data back on here. Now it will allow us to sign back in, which is really nice. So it's not going to just lock you out. So you can go in and sign in there. There we go. You'll see it pop up in a second. And then at the bottom, you'll see the same, if you watched any of my other videos, you'll see the same location information, and you can still get the get your current location. Now I implemented some more code that actually made it so when you clicked on the get your location button, it actually did bring you down to the current one that you did just pull from. I also updated some of the cloud variables so that it was actually updating it, or the kind of where they were stored. I'm actually updating it and pulling it from the actual user. So this is currently the admin user that I'm logged into. And what that allows me to do is gives me the option to actually store that for that individual user. So that's that, and we can go on the iOS device here and we'll see I currently don't have the provisionary file still, and so I'm not able to show you on a physical iOS device. So here is the emulator. Now we're going to log in here, and obviously you'll see right off the bat everything works. We got some alerts. It's got the same same functionality, exactly the same. Everything's been implemented completely. Now we're going to go into my preview here and show you just kind of the user flow and the workflow of it all. Now I currently have here, still yet to be implemented, down at the bottom, But you can see, you know, you open up the app, it opens up, you prompted with a sign-in, which is actually different looking than what's currently there on this user flow. Then you've got, you know, you've got the app here that it goes through. So I made a lot of improvements over this last week. Although it doesn't look like there is a lot done, I added hundreds of line of code here, and just refactored a lot of stuff, trying to make it a little bit smoother, better working, and faster, and just improvements all over. So and there's, you know, verification for all kinds of networks at all different places. So just in case your data turns off at some other point of the use of the application and whatnot. Thanks for watching this video.